Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our next question is question number 5a of the same paper, May-15 for Fourier series. Find Fourier series if f of x is mod x for minus k to k. So just there was a small correction here, that is minus 2 to 2. The value of k was 2. So let's start with that. We need to find basic Fourier series. So we can say f of x is equal to what? Mod x. Mod x is a function which will be acting as a x when it will be for, or I can say it will be acting as a minus x when it will be for minus k x to 0 in this range, and for 0 to k it will be acting as x as it is a positive range. So now we need to find a0. We can say here finding a0. Before that we can just compare this with minus l to L. So value of L comes to be what? 2. Now series is, let's write the series first, that will be better. So f of x is a0 plus summation an cos of n pi x divided by L plus summation bn sin of n pi x divided by L. So now we can write here starting with a0. So value of a0 is 1 upon 2l minus l to l f of x dx. So we can write l is 2, so this comes to be 1 upon 4 and this comes to be minus 2 to 2. F of x is, let it be f of x dx, so which you can write as 1 by 4 and range splits from minus 2 to 0. F of x will be from minus 2 to 0. It will be minus x dx plus from 0 to 2 x dx. Now a0 can be written as 1 upon 4, further minus x, so we can write here integration of that is minus x square by 2, where range was minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, plus the next is again x square by 2, range is 0 to 2. Let's solve this, so that will be giving me minus half, and here 0 minus 2 square is 4 plus half, first put 2, so 4 minus 0, which comes to be a0 as 1 by 4. This comes to be minus and minus plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 and 2, 4, which comes to be 1. So a0 is 1. Now let's start with an. Finding an is 1 upon l minus l to l f of x dx. So which we can write as 1 by 2, the first from minus 2 to 0, f of x is minus x. N is not only f of x, it is also into cos n pi x divided by 2 and dx. So we can write f of x is minus x for range of minus 2 to 0, and further cos n pi x divided by L, that L is 2, dx. Next range is from 0 to 2 x cos of n pi x divided by 2 dx. Let's solve this.